Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. So I haven't been putting any new videos up recently. It's been Christmas time, and also, as I always say, we've done quite a lot of the cars anyway. So sometimes we get a car that we haven't done a system on. Sell loads, but obviously we haven't installed ourselves. So this is why we like to get our own videos. Obviously they're all unique to us, and I can explain a little bit more than passing you over videos from other people and that. So this is our 8.4-inch standalone screen. It's a little bit complicated to fit because it sits on a frame behind here, and then obviously it's the Jaguar, sorry, it's a Jaguar XF, should I say. So this is the car with the original BOSCH, so it tends to be about the 2011 car onwards, and if you've got this original screen here, then obviously it's fine for your car. Only downside, if you've got the older series, which is the Denso side, which you find like it could be blue or like orangey type down there, then obviously it's not for your car. But all this is all fully touchscreen. It does work with the car's auxiliary, so that's where all your sound transmits through. But obviously all these icons down here tend to be sometimes on these icons here, because you didn't have them on the original screen, then basically they're not going to work on this one. You can go to a full screen if you want, which you can get rid of that. Simply, let's have a little look. You can go to, because if you want to go to a large screen, then obviously all these icons go down there, but obviously we're going to let the customer choose that. So obviously, just to reiterate, click large screen and all these will disappear. Okay, so just to go back into the actual Android side, this is what you will get on the aftermarket side. It's got the Snapdragon processor in there, so you're going to expect it to be pretty quick. There's no lag. Snapdragon's obviously a named processor on the market. Tend to sponsor Man United, but let's not go there. Just to show you that, there basically is the Android Auto app, which I'm going to show. It has built-in wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. So if you've got an Apple phone, it's going to give you CarPlay. Today it's linked to an Android phone, so this is the Android Auto app. So Android Auto tends to be a hub app, which brings over any navigation, music apps, text messaging apps, phone books and stuff like that, phone calls. So this is all the apps that are being brought over onto the system. Good thing with using this, it does has the verbal communication with it, so it does have the Google Assist, and also if you use an Apple, it does has the Siri support, so you can say, hey Siri, take me here, blah blah blah, and it'll show you that. Okay, just going over to the Android side here, just to show you what these main homepage icons are, which basically is your media. So obviously if you've got a USB pen, your movies and your music on, you can play your music through there. And then obviously, let's have a little look, you've got your phone book there, which is obviously your phone. Again, you can use the Android Auto app there, which is what I showed you a couple of moments ago. Navigation, okay, so it does have built-in Google Maps, which is an online map app. It does need an internet connection. The reason it's working now is because it's connected to our internet hub in the office, just while we do all the updates and stuff during the install. So obviously this is why it's working, but when you do get it, if you do want to use the Google Maps on this side, you will have to give it an internet connection with a hotspot connection on your phone, or it does take a SIM card if you want to do it that way too. Okay, next one down, apps I'll show you in a moment. This one, little dashboard app, which obviously just shows you miles per hour and your speedometer, and your rev counter, which you can see going up when I'm putting my foot down. Settings, which is just a little back end settings which you can play around with here. Good thing with this product, with the Mediway settings, it does have quite an extensive back end setting here. A lot of the cheaper variants, you don't get like a lot of the sound settings and a lot of information there. Just to let you know, it's Android 13 on this one. Doesn't really make much difference above 11 and 12, to be honest with you. And factory settings, which requires a password, which will only give you access if you need to. There's your applications here, so obviously all the apps will go into this hub here. So any apps that are on the home page will also be in here too, but plus more. Customers gone for a DVR camera today, which is the front facing camera, which is zip up here. So this is extra $49.99 we charge for this. So obviously this is a recording camera, so obviously it does all your playbacks and your icons down there for getting coverage from it and stuff. He's gone for DAB radio too, which is that one there, but again you can add DAB radio to your phone and it'll come through on the system dead easy. Couple of browsers here, so you got your Chrome browser, sound recorder, no idea where that's on there. Play Store, so if you want to go through and download any applications, then obviously you just log into there and you can download whatever you want. Phone link tends to be mirror link, not that great these days. Google Maps again. YouTube, everyone knows what that is because you're watching this on here. File manager, if you are in the know on this, you can basically upload apps that are not on the Play Store onto here, so you can do through this app here. Let me have a look. 1 second. GPS tester, So this is where your GPS icons are to detect the signal of the satellites. Bluetooth, self-explanatory. That dashboard showed you that one. Okay, DSP. So obviously this is where you can fine tune the amplifier. Let's have a look. Install, no idea. Maybe let's have a look. No, something to do with app installs. Okay, music app, FM. That one tends to take you back to the original, because if you did want to use the FM radio, you use it on the original. If you want to use digital radio, then you can simply download it here. Don't know what that OTA is. Let's have a look. No idea. Video. This is where if you want to watch it through your movies through a pen drive. Google Assist. That's where you obviously can speak to it if you want to do anything on like Google apps like google.com, YouTube still works. This is the Android Auto. Kick them back in. This is on the, see the way I've just said hey Google there and it's come up, how can I help? Okay, let's have a look. Let's get back off that 1 second. Let's close that down. Let's go back to here. Where were we? Let's have a little look. Yeah, I think I've got through that Google Assist. This is coming up each time because it's on an auto start. You can switch that off if you want. I have to unlock the phone so I get to work now. But that Android Auto app is an automatic start. So as soon as it connects to your phone on Bluetooth and you get in the car, this will automatically show up. So every time I'm closing the app down, it wants to start back up again. But don't worry, there is a menu option in there. Let me just show you which you can. You can switch off the auto connect in this little icon here. So the best way to do it is disconnect your phone on Bluetooth, go into that little icon I've showed you, and as a background connect, just switch that off and it'll stop it connecting automatically. But it can be a pain in the bum for some people, but some people prefer just to use the CarPlay and the Google Android Auto. So they'll just have it on auto start because they don't want to use none of this. But again, if you want to start using all this, it's better to switch that off. Okay, so hope you liked the video, guys. There's a few little shortcut icons down here which basically just takes you like to your phone, navigation, music apps, there's your voice search, home button, standby button which you want to just put standby on, switch it back on there. So that's it, yeah. Hope you liked the video and hope to see you soon. We'll put the link to the product in the description down below and all our contact details, so if you ever need us for anything, need any information, give us a holler. Thank you, bye bye.